Hey guys, today we're going to be making some mini focaccia protein rolls for your protein snacks to make snacking super simple. Of course, I'm going to, with this video will be the written recipe and everything that you need to know, but what we're going to be using today is our protein baked goods. We're going to use 1 cup of egg whites, 1/4 of a cup of shredded cheese, and a seasoning of your choice. And this is where I love things like this because you can get so creative. So today I think I'm going to use the everything bagel seasoning. You also can do Italian seasoning, totally delicious, but get creative. You can also do things like sun-dried tomato or chipotle flavorings. You can use poppy seeds or garlic. Just have fun. Make sure that whatever you're adding is spices and seasonings and not like, you know, fruits and things like that. So let's go ahead and get this mixed up. All right, so we have this all mixed up. It's a really wet dough. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make 6 rolls. So we're gonna use this brownie pan, which is super convenient, and bake up our rolls. So first, I'm gonna spray a little bit of oil into each one. Okay, now we've got 6 of these. We're gonna pop these in the oven. We're gonna bake them at 350 for about 22 to 25 minutes until they're nice and toasty on top and done all the way through. And then I'll show you what you can do with them after that. All right, so they're all done, you guys. These baked for 22 minutes and I think they're practically perfect. So what I'm gonna do now is slice them as a roll and to make sandwiches with, or you could eat them totally like this and they're gonna be delicious because they smell amazing. Each one of these rolls has 10 grams of protein, less than 2 grams of carbohydrates each, and only 54 calories per roll. So what I'm gonna do is slice these open and put in 1 ounce of turkey on each one of these. I'm gonna have 2 rolls, total of 2 ounces of sliced turkey, and that's gonna be about a 30 gram of protein snack. Pretty awesome. So let's get this put together.